everyone. I hope you're doing well. I'm doing alright, and right now I have a very small haul for y'all. I haven't been doing a whole lot of sticker shopping. Actually, I haven't been doing a whole lot of shopping, period. It's just been a lot of saving money. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that we bought new furniture. We've just been, doing things that we haven't done in a decade. So, sorry if my voice is still a little weird. I'm still getting over all this ear, nose, throat mess that I've contracted or whatever. So, I'm getting there. And I appreciate all the well wishes. You guys are awesome. Love you guys. Give me all the feels. So, anyway, there's a reason I have my planner out here. And it corresponds to this package. So we're going to go ahead and get into this package. As you can see, it's from SaraElizabethPrints. And it comes in a really sturdy mailer thing. I can't talk. I can't speak. So let me just scoot this over here. I'll open this up. Okay, come on. Sorry, I still haven't done anything with my nails. I'm being lazy. So, first up we have a little card with my name. It says thank you. As you see, it's a beautiful card. It's very, very pretty. I love the aesthetic, and she's just telling me thank you for the support. I have ordered from her shop a few times now, and I love her stickers, and I love the sales that she has, and I love how complete her kits are. So here's the freebie. It's very, very cute. You have a little, is that a John Travolta? Grease-inspired guy, a little bumblebee girl, Happy Mail, Netflix and chill, some icons, and two really bright scallop boxes, perfect for spring or summer. And as you can see, I've already used some of these stickers, but these are appointment script words. I just love how dainty they are. Then we have this kit. It's called Key to My Heart. So this is kind of like a Plan With Me review. As you can see, the stickers are used. So she changed her format a little bit from the last time that I used a kit from her. And we have this sheet that had a bunch of functional icons, deco, and the weekend banner. And then this sheet here has labels, a hydrate sticker, checklists, and icons in 2 different sizes. We have this sheet here that has glitter headers, has 4 sets of glitter headers and washi. I just opted not to use the glitter headers. This sheet here that has quarter boxes, scallop boxes, half boxes, bill dues, and I think these were the habit trackers. Little things and regular headers, and right there's why I use the regular headers, because that font was just so dainty and cute, I had to. And this was the full heart checklist, decorative full boxes, and the bottom washi, date covers, and I don't remember what was right there. I think it might have been more washi. I don't know. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and show you what the spread looked like, because that's going to be the easiest way to show you guys this kit, because it came in and I didn't film. So, isn't this absolutely adorable? Oh, it was the weekly ombre. That was what was in that weird spot that I was like, I don't know. It was right here. It was weekly ombre. So, because I'm crazy, I'm going to go ahead and throw these 3 sheets away, since I've finally shown you guys. But yeah, it was a pretty calm week for me. It was just a lot of the same. Hubby worked Valentine's Day, so we did Valentine's Day on Tuesday the 13th. It wasn't anything big. It was just cards and flowers and just stuff between us here at the house. We had hubby had a dentist appointment. We had a like future freshman night. And that was it, really. But it's just so gorgeous. I mean, this is obviously, well, I can't say obviously. If you don't know, this is a no white space kit. So what I will do is I will show you. I used her kit for New Year. I did it no white space. So if you're a no white space planner, you can definitely use her kits and go full no white space. You really don't have to pull much in. What did I pull in? I pulled in some character stickers, a bass sticker, the characters, and that's literally it. Everything else was in the kit. So you can definitely go white space or full no white space. Up to you. And if you're curious, this tassel is from Kiara at Paper Princess Plans, and she doesn't make them anymore. Makes me want to cry. I just loved her tassels. They're just so pretty. And it matched this kit so perfectly, I had to throw it on my planner for you guys. Because this is the tassel I used for Valentine's Day. I just got it last year? Yeah, last year. I prefer tassels on my Earring 100 to paper clips. Just because I don't really like anything sticking out of the top. So, there is that for you guys. I just love this. I just love these colors. I wish all kits could have these colors. I'm such a dork, but you know what's funny is that pink. Yep, see, that pink would have matched this week too. So, alright, we're going to get this out of the way. And then this will go in my little thing that goes with me everywhere. Okay, my little hold together thing. Okay, so then I got one more envelope here for you guys. I think I have an invoice. I do have an invoice, so hang on just one second. So it comes in a regular envelope and then in a plastic wrap solo bag. There's the word I was thinking of. Okay, there we go, solo bag. Stickers. Alright, so if you're not an avid shopper of this shop, this is from HurricaneRandi. This is my second time ordering from her. So in here was a little die cut, really cute piece of pink fruit. I guess it could be grapefruit or something. It's really cute. So we'll stick that over to the side. And I did not get any of her like crazy full kits. I did go with mini kits. So I'm going to show you her mini kit. This one was called Magical? Yeah, Magical Mini Kit, regularly $7.50. Let's just zoom in a little bit. There we go. It says, you are magical like a unicorn, and this first sheet has 4 full boxes. And this is matte sticker paper. Cuts are way better than the first time I ordered from her shop. I actually like this paper too. Alright. And then here we have half boxes and flags. I did tell her about this half box. It's like random. There's an American flag half box in the middle of my magical unicorn kit. But it honestly was an error, so she said she'd, send me this sheet again, so no biggie. And then this sheet has your date covers, a couple bill dues, habit trackers, and some labels, and your little scripty weekend. And then this is, I think, 3 more full boxes. Yes, so 3 more full boxes. Right like that. And then some icons. So that is her, like, super mini kit. Now, if you look at these colors, what planner girl's not going to have pink and purple in her leftover stash? So, I know I'm going to be able to pull checklists and labels and things. So these are like the necessities, right? So that was Magical. And I think this one is Lucky. Yeah, this is definitely Lucky. Same format, just different clip art. So this is Lucky. This is Happy St. Patrick's Day. And then you have all your boxes, 3 more full boxes with icons, and then your date covers and odds and ends over here. Okay. Alright, and then I have an older, I think this is an older format of Her Mini Kits, so we have 8 full boxes, a bill-do, and some flags, and then here we have 3 sets of glitter headers, some bottom washi, checklist, icons, habit tracker, and quarter boxes. So I don't know which way I like better, but this is her, I think this is her old format, because all of her newer kits look like this one. So this is, I think this is definitely an older format. But the only thing that I find this lacking, which is my nemesis, is a weekend banner. So I will have to dig out a weekend banner. And then the last kit that I got for you guys today is Easter Flowers, and this is again the older format. So it's very pastel. It's just Easter colors. And then there's the bottom washi and glitter headers and all that good stuff. So I can tell you right now, this kit, and all these were $7.50 for this size and the $7.25 for that size. This one will be used probably St. Patrick's week. This one's probably going to be used this coming week. And then I have one more that it's like leftover stuff that was sent to me. But I'm going to be pulling a lot from my collection just to show you guys a more budget friendly. So basically, I have these. I spent, like I said, $7.50, and then she was having like 55% off or 65% off. It was insane. So I got all these stickers for $17 with tax and shipping. So that's pretty awesome. So I'll be able to do more budget friendly planning. So I'm not using entirely full cover no white space kits. So that's always, you know, fun, right? So if I could say one more time, we'd be great, right? I don't know. I really think that being more budget friendly this year, I'm trying not to go in with like a gajillion dollars in stickers in my planner, and I'm trying to show you guys how to be more budget friendly. So the leftovers you guys are going to see me use are not necessarily leftovers from kits that I've used in the past. I've won some, and Anna has sent me some, and Beth has sent me some. So that's ALoves22 and Beth Graves from Beth Beauty and More. And the ones I won were from Chloe Shearwood on her channel, which is by her name. And I will list those 3 ladies down below for you guys. And if you're interested, head over and check them out. But they are definitely helping me be more budget friendly this year in my Erin Condren. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me, subscribe if you're not already, and I will talk to you guys again real soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.